My name is Stephanie Saylor, and this is a visual phasing workshop. We will be discussing how to understand GEDmatch's chromosome browser results from the one-to-one compare tool for autosomal or xDNA. Once you do a one-to-one comparison, you will see the chromosome browser results for each autosome, chromosomes 1 through 22, on your screen, starting with the first and proceeding down your screen, as well as the start and stop points and centimorgans listed above each of those chromosome browser graphics. So here's the graphics, here's the position data. For this workshop, you only need to understand 3 indicators we will refer to as no match, which means no DNA is shared between 2 individuals, half match, which means DNA is shared between the 2 people we are comparing, but only through one of their parents, and full match, which means both people we compared share DNA from both of their parents. As the screen shows, the older GEDmatch site indicated things a little differently than the new GEDmatch site, making the difference between no match and half match a little easier to see, because the no match used to be indicated with this gray, which is a lot more different than black and blue are. But no match is indicated with this gray or black bar on the bottom of your chromosome browser results, and it means no DNA is shared between 2 people, where you see this gray or black bar on the bottom. Half match is a little trickier. It is indicated with a blue bar on the bottom of your results and a yellow bar on the top. The yellow bar on the top means that at a small spot, DNA is shared between 2 people through one of their parents. But the yellow bar on top with the blue bar on the bottom means that DNA is shared from one parent in a significant amount. That is why you can have yellow above a gray or black bar and it not be relevant. That blue bar on the bottom tells us that that yellow bar on the top means we've got a relevant amount of DNA, and so we've got a half match, or DNA is shared between the 2 people we're comparing through one of their parents each. A full match means that both people compared share DNA on chromosomes from both of their parents. So you would regularly see a full match between 2 full siblings. To simplify, a full match means that the spot on both compared people shares DNA from both parents, and it's indicated with this solid green bar on top and a blue bar on the bottom. Before we move on, to avoid people from getting distracted or confused later, notice that the half match example has a bit of green in the top yellow bar, and this happens, but the amount that you see in this half match segment is not relevant to us. We will go over this many times. By the end of the workshop, you should recognize the difference between a relevant amount of green in that yellow bar and an amount that's not as relevant. Pause the video and quiz someone on the difference between a full match, half match, and no match, what they mean and what they look like. I will insert a few chromosomes for you to practice with at the end of this segment.